Programming the SMV drive. In cases of tampering or random malfunction, the SMV drive must be reset by following this procedure to reset the drive back to its STI settings. In the case of an SMV drive being repaired, and after having received the SMV drive, it will be necessary to reprogram the drive to the STI settings. In cases of tampering or random malfunction, a master reset is required. With the drive powered up, begin the master reset by first pressing M on the keypad. Press the arrow up key to scroll to the number 0225. Then press M. Then the display will read P100. Press the arrow up key to P199. Then press M. Then press the arrow up key or down key until the display reads 3. Then press M. Then unplug the machine from the source power or turn off the red-yellow switch and allow the drive to power down for at least 1 minute. Plug the machine back into the source power or switch the red-yellow switch to on. The SMV drive is now reset to its original factory settings. To program the SMV to the STI settings, follow this procedure. Press M. Arrow up to 0225 and press M. Press up arrow to P103, then press M. Screen will display 60. Press up arrow and scroll to 80, then press M. Screen will display P103. Arrow up and scroll to P104, then press M. Screen will display 20. Arrow down and scroll to 5, then press M. Screen will display P104. Arrow up and scroll to P112, then press M. Screen will display 0. Arrow up to scroll to 1, then press M. Screen will display P112. Arrow up to scroll to P121, then press M. Screen will display 0. Arrow up to scroll to 21, then press M. At this point, the drive will be programmed and ready for use by pushing the green Start key.